Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export a website as HTML in Wix. This can be useful if you want to keep a local copy of a page, view it offline, or save a snapshot of how the live page currently appears in your browser. If you're trying to save a version of your Wix website as an HTML file, this process is very simple, but it's important to understand what you're actually saving. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps in a clear way so you can follow along without confusion. The main thing to remember is that this method saves the live web page through your browser, rather than exporting the complete Wix website project with all of its editor features and functionality. To begin, go to your Wix site dashboard and open the website you want to work with. Before you do anything else, make sure your site is published. This part matters because if the site is not published, you may not be able to open the live public version correctly. And that's the version you need for this method. So take a moment to check that everything is up to date, and then click the Publish button if needed. It's also a good idea to review the page before publishing, so the saved version reflects the latest text, images, and design changes you want to keep. Once your site has been published successfully, open the live version of the site. You want to be on the actual public page, not just inside the Wix editor. This is important because the next step needs to be done from the live website itself. If your site opens in a new tab, that's perfect. If not, simply navigate to the live site after publishing. You can quickly confirm you're on the live version by checking that you're viewing the normal website rather than the editing interface. When you're on the live page, right-click anywhere on the page to open the browser menu. In that menu, look for the option that says Save As and click it. This will open the save window on your computer, where you can choose the file name and the location where you want to save the pictures. For easier organization, you may want to give the file a clear name that includes the page name or the date you saved it, especially if you plan to keep multiple versions. In the Save window, check the file type or format option and change it to HTML if that option is available. Then, choose the folder where you want the file to be saved and click Save. Your browser will then save the web page to your computer. Depending on your browser and the save option you choose, you may also see an additional folder containing supporting files, such as images or other page resources. So it's a good idea to keep those files together with the HTML file. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that this method saves the visible web page from your browser, so it may not function the same way as a full Wix project inside the editor. In other words, you're saving the page as it appears on the live site, which can be useful for offline viewing or keeping a copy of the page. Interactive features, dynamic content, forms, animations, or other Wix functionality may depend on online services and may not work exactly the same from the locally saved file. So think of this more as saving a browser-based copy of the page, rather than creating a fully portable replacement for your Wix website. That's all you need to do. Publish your Wix site, open the live version, right-click, choose Save As, switch the file type to HTML, and save it to your computer. After saving, you can open the HTML file from the folder you selected to check how the local copy looks and confirm that the content you wanted has been saved. And that's how to export a website as HTML in Wix. This is a quick option when you need a local copy of a live page, while your original Wix website and full editing capabilities remain inside Wix.